After you have finished coding a session or a game, you can review the data that you collected inside of Nodiant. Here is how you do that. First, navigate to the event that you want to review and click on it. If you have an event coded with the pre-built match coding template, you will be taken to a summary page of all the statistics, with graphs to help visualize the data. To view more detailed information for each section, click on its graphic. If you have an event coded with a custom coding template, you will be taken to a summary page, which has a table with all the codes on the left and all the labels at the top. Alternatively, you can view the labels on the side and the codes along the top by pressing the Swap Axis button.